we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
The easiest way to thicken up cream cheese frosting is to pop it in the refrigerator. As the fats from the cream cheese and butter cool, the frosting will change consistency and become much thicker. No extra powdered sugar required.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.